Let's continue the video we left in part 1. The baker usually collected his bills at the end of the month. See, in Goa, baker was so important as we are giving newspaper bill on monthly basis, the same way, or milk bill. There, the bakers were also collecting their bills on monthly basis. Monthly accounts used to be recorded on some wall in pencil. So how they were maintaining the records? They were writing all the records, monthly records on paper, on wall with pencil. Baking was indeed a profitable profession in the old days. See, with this only you can realize that how profitable profession was baking at that time. Baking was indeed the baker and his family never starved. He, his family and his servants always looked happy and prosperous. See, bakers, his family, everybody was very prosperous because they were earning lot, because every day people were purchasing bakery items. So this way they were very, very rich people. And they never starved. Starved meaning to die with hunger. There was no reason of dying with hunger because they were earning good. He, his family and his servants always looked happy and prosperous. Prosperous meaning rich. This was the reason that he, meaning baker, his family, everybody was extremely rich. He, his family, yes, their plump physique was an open testimony to this. See, they used to have tummy always. It was telling that they were very, very rich. How much rich? They were eating so much, so they were very plump, meaning fat people. Their plump physique, yes. Even today, any person with a jackfruit-like physical appearance is easily compared to a baker. Even at this time also, if anybody is no fat person, if anybody is so no fatty person, so they were called as if they were are they the bakers? Because this way, now dear children, you have to do all these question answers. And now we are proceeding ahead towards the second part of this is Coorg. Coorg comes the second part of Glimpses of India, as you can see here. So glimpses meaning the parts of India is visible in it. So now the second part. Midway between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Here the writer is talking about Coorg, that it is a midway between Mysore and the coastal area, and it was like as if it was a kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. See, this area was surrounded by the lots of wild creatures and martial meaning having to do with war men. There are so many people belonging to war, their physique is so huge. They were dwelling at the place Coorg. Dear children, we will do this much only. Thank you everyone.